The best tools that our professional carpet cleaners use. It's Christmas time yet again, time for festivities and enjoyment. It's also time for cleaning homes and offices. It's time for cleaning carpets. This year, it's cleaning with a difference. Thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic. So you need professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne for Christmas cleaning as well as COVID-19 cleaning. You need Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. What do we use? We use Defoamers, high-quality air scrubbers, carpet cleaning wands, Crevice Tools, ventilation assisters. These specialized carpet cleaning tools help our carpet cleaning professionals in Melbourne to offer high-quality cleaning. Summon us and get your property cleaned for Christmas and sanitized during this pandemic. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.